Hi guys, what's up? It's cold today. It's 6:45 now. It's cold. That's very nice. Look, snow everywhere. I love snow. I'm like a child. Wait. Yeah, it's homemade, as you see. So -3, that's okay. When you don't have wind, it's pretty okay to manage. Last year, I will be very not angry but annoyed, if we had this kind of weather before Easter, because Easter is such a big thing. We count so much on it. But this year, honestly, I don't care. I don't care because what can we do actually? We cannot do anything. So the best thing to do is just to accept things that you when you cannot do anything with it, So I'm in a very good mood these days, and it will have an impact on what I will do in the kitchen, how I will drive the coffee place. Mental is very important, really. What else? Yeah, I'm still sick. It's very cold at home, so I tell you a bit of my life, but that affects negatively my body, of course. But okay, let's talk about things more interesting. So the way you see things around you make you happy or unhappy. It really changes your mental. It changes the way you act with others. Sorry. It changes the way you work. It changes everything. So I have a very big feeling this year that it's gonna be. I'm gonna work 6 months actually. We are end of March, so I'm gonna work to September. I will probably stop after September, October. I will probably stop the cafe. I don't know if I will sell it or if I will just take a break, or I might do something like that, just to breathe a bit, because it will be the 5th year and it was very much pressure. I put pressure myself. I put pressure on myself. Sorry, on myself a lot. And I'm also someone very curious, so I would like to check other things around and do other things, and maybe I will come back here, or maybe I open something else. Maybe I don't close at all. Maybe I just need to put some element here. Maybe I will just keep it open like 20 more years, 30 more years. But I don't think. I will see. But what I know is that this year I really want to make it fantastic. To make something like really the best I can. So of course it's easier to tell it now in my car before the season even started. But I didn't want to open the cafe this year because I was very tired. I was very grumpy, before the season, because also some bad things, some sad things happened to me, not to me, but to to my family, to someone from my family. So changed my mind a bit, but I had to open because I have to, because money, and because that's what I wanted. And money was not an issue actually. I can do many things, but I know that I wanted to open this place again. And what I will do is to open it, how can I say that? It's morning, so you know my English is usually not so good, but morning, I was thinking, okay, if I have to open the cafe this year, if I open, I need to make it properly, to do it 100%, 200%, and this is what I will try to do, and I'm sure I'm going to do it. And this video I'm making now helped me also to take that time, you know, like 5, 10, 50 minutes per day, every day, even when the cafe is closed, to think and to repeat all these things to myself. That's really important. Really, really. I'm cold, I'm sick, it's early, I'm a little bit hungry. I'm gonna have a breakfast in a cafe. Yes, I'm a cafe lover. I love the drink, and I love also the place, you know, to go in the cafe. I mean, I just love that, so that's why I opened the cafe. So I'm gonna go to a cafe to have a nice breakfast. But even if I'm cold, sick, tired, hungry, I think it's very nice. I think it's very nice what's happening here, what we're gonna make. I think it's very nice. Okay, see you soon. Hi everybody, I hope it's fine with you. We're gonna open in 20 minutes, so I was thinking to show you what I did today. I didn't do so much baking because, like I said to you, we want to keep things as fresh as possible. Today it's Wednesday, so I know it's not gonna be so many people. People are working today, and even if they don't work, they prefer to come tomorrow or Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, so for Easter. But I prepare a few things with chocolate and you know everything. I was thinking to put some music. Meanwhile, I do the presentation, so let me just find something good here. So top 15 Sweden. Yeah, we can take this, or top 15 the world. Viral 15 the world, okay. Viral 15 Sweden. Let's take viral 15 Sweden. Okay. So I take the number 1 and I present you the cake. Okay, I'm gonna take something else. I'm sorry, but I can't present you the cakes with that sheet, you know, so let me find something better here. Okay, here. Are you ready? Here you have cocos brownie. So I did first the brownie that you can see under there. I made the brownie there, 15 minutes in the oven, and then a topping with cocos and a little more stuff on it. Very good, very, very good. This one here is the same. This is a blueberry pie I made yesterday evening. Here we have hallongrötter. I think I already presented them. And here is something I did this morning. Mousse au chocolat. Interesting, yeah? I think it's gonna be a nice day. I think it's gonna be a nice Easter, and with these nice things behind me, I think we're gonna be appreciated by our customers because c'est très bon. See you soon.